Okay guys, so for the fog bulbs on this Lexus Toyota IS 250, you change it out, very simple. You need a screwdriver. There's one clip there, one clip there, and one up here at the top. Move the wheel inwards just slightly, and what you'll do is you'll pull this back, and there is your bulb right there. It's a lot easier to access it this way rather than use the compartment underneath and try to fish out the bulb that way. It's very quick and easy to do. And I'm using these FLÖSSER replacement bulbs. They're supposed to be some of the brightest on the market. Right off the bat, guys, I can tell a significant difference in brightness. The new bulb versus the old one. So yeah, hopefully this will help you guys out a little bit. Alright guys, on the other side, again, very easy. All you gotta do is you remove this cover here. You can leave that on. Just go ahead and pry it open like this with this one. Remove a few panels here. You're going to remove this filler neck. It's going to be like right here. There's a 10 mil. Get that 10 mil out of there just like on the other side. That comes out. You remove the little door. There's a metal latch. Flip that open. Remove the little door. On the actual bulb itself, there's going to be this connector here. You push that down, push it down, like twist it, and it'll come right off. And then there's a one metal pin there, and one on the other side. Yeah, that's basically it. And then just put everything back together. Very simple, but just these plastic pieces kind of make it a little bit of a pain in the ass. But other than that, it's all straightforward. Here's a quick comparison between the FLÖSSER Germany bulb, and these are Slovenia bulbs. This one looks like it's a 55 watt or 51 watt 12 volt. This one here is a 70 watt. Okay guys, real quick, really easy to change out these are new OEM D4S 6000K bulbs that you can get off eBay. They're the OEM Toyota ones. What you do is you need a couple extensions like this, some zip ties for the plastic pieces that will probably break off, a few of these, one of those. What you do is you first remove the air filter top part, then remove the air filter itself. Then you're gonna take your bottom piece and you're going to remove one bolt there and one bolt there, which will be down there, and one over here, right there. After that's done, you have access to this little door here. Will come right off. Push this little metal pin in, the door comes off, done. And then this, you just twist off. This is the main connector. Twist that guy off, and then you're going to take here two pins, these two metal pins. You push in from the bottom and push in from the top, and then that will allow you to remove the bulb itself. So very simple process, just a little bit of a pain in the ass because you got to remove the air box, but it's a Lexus. What are you gonna do? See, this one's a Philips 35 watt Philips D4S. This is, I believe, an OEM bulb. I don't think it has ever been replaced. And then this here is going to be, let me see here guys, 1 second. This here is going to be made in Germany. D4S Zen Eco bulb E1. They look like this. I was having problems with it being very dim, so hopefully this will fix this issue. Yeah, this one also Zen Eco 35 watt. So yeah, that's it.